I was here today for a filler because I am a mother. I am 42 years old. I'm still young, but at the same time, I was starting to have a little droop in my face. It just done raised my whole face, gave me that youthful look again, and I'm just ready to smile and be happy. I'm on my journey of rebuilding myself and getting back into me. And I didn't know what my results would be. I didn't know if I was even doing the right thing. Dr. Gupta always answered my questions, always let me know the pros and cons of things. And that made me feel comfortable. And now that I've gotten all my procedures done, I am 100% happy. I'm excited, and it shows now.